All right, let's dive right into this explainer. Today, we're unpacking a really fascinating startup playbook: how to build an AI-powered last-mile delivery tool for under 200 pounds. We're going to look at how you can take a massive, seriously underserved market, and by just snapping together a few basic APIs, build an absolutely indispensable tool for independent couriers. It's a brilliant concept, so let's get into it.
To really grasp why this is such a game changer, you have to put yourself in the driver's seat. Picture a stressed-out independent courier. It's 7 a.m. They're staring at a crumpled paper map or maybe just a tiny phone screen with 45 scattered parcels crammed into the back of their van. They're desperately trying to mentally organize all these stops across 6 different postcodes. And keep in mind, some of these drops have strict time windows, some have gate codes, and the driver already knows the traffic on the main road is going to be an absolute nightmare. They end up burning 25 minutes before they even start the engine, just guessing the best path. It is pure chaos, and it literally happens to them every single morning.
And this daily guessing game, it comes with a massive, tangible cost. Studies on last-mile delivery consistently show that 20 to 30% of a driver's entire delivery time is completely wasted on suboptimal routing. If you think about a driver doing, say, 200 drops a week, that translates to 40 to 60 hours of unnecessary driving every single month. That's a whole extra work week. It costs them extra fuel, compounds the wear and tear on their vehicle, and leads to missed delivery windows. Basically, this inefficiency is eating directly into their livelihood.
So, here is our roadmap for today. We're breaking this down step by step. First, the last mile problem, then the incredibly elegant WhatsApp solution, the tech stack behind it, the business model, and finally, how to actually go out and get those first paying customers.
Starting with part 1, the last mile problem.
Right now, there is this gaping hole in the logistics market. It's a classic David versus Goliath situation. On one side, you have enterprise giants like DPD or Every running on multi-million-pound custom software. Their drivers get highly sophisticated, pre-planned sequences sent directly to custom handheld devices. But on the other side, you've got the independent gig economy driver handling 40 drops a day across multiple clients. And they are left entirely in the dark. They're relying on gut instinct, pen and paper, or at best, standard Google Maps, which, let's be honest, absolutely cannot handle optimizing 40 waypoints all at once.
And make no mistake, this is not some tiny niche. The scale is staggering. We are talking about over 200,000 self-employed couriers just in the UK, over 3 million delivery workers in the US, and another 1.5 million gig drivers in India. Globally, this last-mile market is projected to blow past £200 billion by 2027. It's an enormous, rapidly expanding workforce doing real heavy lifting without the basic tech advantages that folks in an office just take for granted.
Which brings us to part 2, the WhatsApp solution.
Now, what's brilliant here is how beautifully simple the core product is. The driver doesn't have to download a new app or remember another password. They just open WhatsApp, which they already use, and text a messy, completely unformatted list of addresses to a bot. Instantly, an AI steps in and parses that raw text. It fixes typos, understands notes like needs to be there before noon, and processes the whole thing. Within 10 seconds, the bot shoots back a perfectly numbered delivery sequence along with one single Google Maps navigation link for the whole route. Zero training required, just an elegant flow that hands them back 30 to 60 minutes of their day, every day.
But wait, it actually scales up. Think about small, family-run courier companies with maybe a handful of vans. For them, you build out a clean web dashboard. Now the dispatcher gets full visibility with real-time driver tracking. If an urgent pickup drops in mid-route, the dispatcher just pushes it to the driver, and the system automatically triggers a re-optimization alert right to their WhatsApp. It tracks failed delivery so nothing falls through the cracks, and even generates clean PDF reports at the end of the day for easy invoicing. It basically gives a mom-and-pop fleet enterprise-level control.
Moving on to part 3, the 3-layer tech stack. Let's look under the hood at the 10-second magic trick making this happen. Boom, second 1, the Twilio or Meta API catches the driver's WhatsApp message. Second 2, an AI model like the Claude or GPT API jumps in to untangle all those messy, human-written addresses into clean, usable data. By second 5, the Google Routes API is crunching the optimal path, factoring in live traffic, and by second 10, that perfectly structured route is sent straight back to the driver's phone. You're taking a wildly complex logistical nightmare and solving it in 10 seconds just by smartly stacking these APIs.
And the infrastructure backing that up is a very standard modern tech stack. You've got Google geocoding translating the addresses, a React front end for that slick dispatcher dashboard, Node.js powering the backend logic, Superbase holding the data, and Vercel hosting the whole shebang. And here is the kicker. Because you're essentially just acting as a smart connective tissue between these existing services, your unit economics are phenomenal. This whole setup costs you under £1.50 in API fees per driver per month.
Okay, let's talk money in part 4, the 3-tier business model.
So how do you actually monetize this? You scale the pricing right alongside the customer. You offer a solo tier at $9.99 a month for the individual gig worker just wanting the WhatsApp bot. A small fleet tier at $49.99 gets them the dispatcher dashboard. And a growing fleet tier at $149.99 unlocks client portals and multi-depot support. Honestly, for less than the price of a couple of coffees a week, a solo worker saves hours of agonizing driving. It's an absolute no-brainer for them. Now this is the number that should make absolutely anyone building software smile. Greater than 90%. Because your API costs are so insanely cheap. Again, under $1.50 a driver, your gross margin on those monthly subscriptions sits comfortably above 90%. That is just exceptionally good for a SaaS product.
But hold on, the ceiling is even higher. Beyond just selling direct, you have a massive enterprise licensing play here. Imagine pitching a white-labeled version of this tool directly to giant gig delivery platforms like Stuart or Gopher in the UK. They are always desperate to squeeze out better driver efficiency. If you negotiate a deal for, say, £2 per driver per month across their entire network, well, suddenly you're looking at a potential 6-figure annual contract from just one single handshake.
Finally, part 5, getting your first customers. So you've got the app, you've got the pricing, but how do you actually reach these busy drivers? Spoiler alert, you don't use expensive Google ads. You go grassroots. Couriers are an incredibly tight-knit community. They talk all the time. You want to get into courier Facebook groups. Some of these have 80,000 members. Just post a raw, super authentic 60-second screen recording showing the WhatsApp bot working its magic. Give it away free to your first 50 users to build a rabid fan base. Walk right into local delivery depots and do live demos in the parking lot. Partner with van lease companies. Because the tool is so visual and the relief it provides is instant, it spreads like wildfire through organic word of mouth. One driver showing his buddy at the depot is literally all it takes.
As we wrap up this explainer, I want to leave you pondering something. We rely on these massive logistical networks to run our modern world, yet there are still these glaring, painful inefficiencies for the hardworking folks actually on the ground. Think about the chaotic reality of last-mile delivery, and ask yourself, beyond just planning the route, what do you think is the single biggest time waster in a typical delivery day? Is it hunting for parking, dealing with failed drops, admin work? Consider the sheer, untapped potential of what you can solve next just by sending a simple text message.